This video shows you how to set an automatic reply in Outlook Web. So let's get started. And here I am on my Outlook Web. If you're wondering how you can be able to use Outlook Web, it's actually very easy. All you need to do is to have a Microsoft account which you can create for absolutely no fee. After creating a Microsoft account, head on to your browser and search for Outlook Live. You need to connect your account with Outlook, whether you are using Gmail or webmail. If you want a video that helps you to connect Outlook Web with your Gmail or webmail, let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, if you have already done that, let me show you how you can be able to set automatic replies when you'll be out of office. To be able to do this on Outlook Web, head on to this settings gear. And then here you would want to come and search for automatic replies. So select the automatic reply option, and this should open this window. So this is the settings window where you're going to see several other settings. In our case, we need the automatic reply. Use automatic replies to let others know you are on vacation or aren't available to respond to email. You can set your replies to start and end at a specific time. Otherwise, they will continue until you turn them off. So all you need to do right now is to just come and turn the automatic replies on, as it will be off by default. So just come and click that. And now the automatic reply is on. So from now henceforth, if a person sends a message to you, he can get an automatic reply. But you need to come and type the message that that person will receive. So for instance, we can just come and set that message here and say, "Hello, I'll be out of office for vacation. For any emergencies, reach me on this contact. I'll be more than ready to help. Thanks." So you can leave such a message. So this message will be sent to anyone who sends a message to you, as starting now until you just come and turn this one off. So you may want to be specific and set replies only during a time period. To do this, you can just come and check this button here. So upon checking this button, you can come and specify the time. For example, you can come and say that you want the automatic replies to start on the 24th December 2020 starting 12 a.m. all through to 25th December 2020 ending at 12 a.m. So you can also come and adjust this. For example, you may want to put it maybe on 31st. So you can click on the calendar, then you just come and select the date. So this one now will mean that the automatic replies will run during the period of starting 24th December all through to 31st December 2020, and you can also just come and adjust the time the way you want. You may also want to block your calendar during this period, so you can just come and check that button. You may also want to automatically decline new invitation for events that occur during this period. You can also check on that. You can also decline and cancel any meetings during this period, so you can also just come and check that if that is what you may want. Down here, you can also come and check this button, and what this will mean is that this will only apply to the contacts. So if you have created contacts in your Outlook, the automatic replies will only be sent to your contacts. So if it is anyone who is not on your contact list, that person will not receive the automatic reply. So this is something that you may want to do, or you may not want to do, depending on the circumstances. So upon doing that, all you need to do is just come and click the save. So you wait for that to finish, and you can now see on top here it says automatic replies are currently turned on. If you may want to turn them off, you just come and click the turn off. If you have not upgraded to Microsoft 365, this method may not work. The automatic replies work well on Microsoft 365. However, you can still set automatic replies on both the normal Outlook desktop and Outlook Web using rules and templates. Check this video and learn how to set the automatic replies using rules and templates.